Hello, CCC Travel and Tours family. I'm Kuya JP, your friendly tour guide for today. Please remember to always follow the blue and red flag. That's our travel team's superhero cape so you won't get lost. Now, let's do our quick roll call. When you hear your name or group, please say, "Present, Kuya JP," loud enough so even the mangroves can hear you. Perfect! We're all complete. Let's go explore one of the most beautiful eco parks in Oriental Mindoro. And welcome to Silunay Mangrove Conservation and Eco Park here in Calapan City. This is not just a tourist spot. It's also a protected mangrove forest that helps protect our shoreline from strong waves and serves as a home for many fish, birds, and crabs. The Eco Park was built to raise awareness about the importance of mangroves and give visitors like us a chance to walk through this beautiful environment. And did you know the boardwalk here is about 350 meters long? That's like walking across 3.5 basketball courts. And at the end, there's a watchtower where you can see the peaceful view of the mangrove forest meeting the sea. And here's what you can do while we're here. First one, walk the mangrove boardwalk and keep an eye out for tiny crabs and colorful birds. And climb the watchtower. Take group photos with the stunning coastal view. Third, learn and share. Find the signboards, find mangrove packs, and share one interesting fact with a seatmate. And lastly, sunset viewing. If we're lucky, we'll catch the golden sunset over the water later. So, who here has tried planting a tree before? Well, here you can actually join in mangrove planting programs to help the environment. And before we explore, here are some friendly reminders. Stay with the group and keep the blue and red flag in sight. Walk carefully on the boardwalk. No running even if you see a cute crab. Let's keep our environment clean. No littering please. Be respectful of wildlife. No touching the animals even if they look friendly. Take only photos, leave only footprints. So if you need help, you know who to call. I'm Kuya JP. So alright CCC Travels and Tours family, let's enjoy this eco adventure. Follow me and keep smiling and let's make this Lunay trip unforgettable memory. Ready? Let's go!